Why would I want to get... See? What? I have already said my stand on the FSL report. See, who's going to believe me? I've been telling from the beginning that I was with some other persons at that point of time. I was in Nityananda Dhyanapitham. I was sharing a room with another person, and that person knows I was with her. But when I've been telling this, people say they will not believe me. The kind of damage certain channels have done to this issue has just buried the truth. And I think some people have to take up that responsibility, especially Sun TV. I really don't want to answer these questions because I'm a single woman who's fighting this whole thing out. And I really don't want to go there unless I'm very sure that justice will be given to me. Unless the chief ministers of the said state can stand by me and say whoever it is, you name them and I will do justice. You all are seeing one side of the picture. You all do not know the other side of the picture. If he is giving me 100% guarantee for my life and my family's security, then I will name him. I will talk to him personally and I will name them, provided proaction is taken. Sorry, I didn't understand. Obviously, this whole thing started in Tamil Nadu. I have started my way forward. Sorry? I think you'll have to wait for that. I just don't want to jeopardize my position right now by saying anything. I can't really say that. I'm sorry. Yes. Yes. That is why it took me so much of courage to come. I mean, at times I think we had to take a decision. And I made a very delayed decision. Like I said, I apologize for that. It's a very delayed decision. But frankly, it took me a very long time to rebuild my courage and come out of the depression. I was very deeply saddened by the hatred. I could not understand how a person would do something so perverted. I just can't get over it, even now. Yes. Like I said, it's in the court and you all have a copy of it. I do not want to elaborate on that because I genuinely don't want that to become a media circus. And I want justice for this. It's all explained in the complaint because, like I said, it's in the court. And by word or deed, I do not want my justice to be delayed. I have full faith in the Indian judicial system with two great lawyers here with me who gave me the faith. I can't speak Kannada. So, anything else? Then we can... It's just being given. Oh, to that question, if I would be there tomorrow, I said if time permits and if Nityananda Dhyanapitham agrees, the Dhyanapitham. No, they have been also through a lot. You would agree on that, right? I would definitely like to meet him and get his blessings, and hopefully the coming year would be a better year than it was last year. Yes, because I have not done anything wrong for which I have to be ashamed of. Okay. Sorry, can you just give me 1 minute, 1 minute, no? Tell me. I'll not comment on those things, please. Sorry. Yes. Yes. I will. I am his devotee and I will always remain his devotee. I am not aware of it because I was not in the country. But my lawyers had been in constant touch with them from the day I released a press statement, which I think was around April 1st or May 30th. There was no particular reason. Things just worked out because it took me, like I said, took me a long time to come out of my own depression, my own human frailties, my own fears, and to work up the courage to talk to my lawyers who can represent me and get me justice. I have finished that aspect. They, in Chennai on June 21st, 2010. Meeting the CID was on June 21st, 2010 regarding the other case.